23 February 2025. Thank you guys. Yes, it's your guy Ironman from Ironman Forex. Yes guys, I know you are coming to my inbox saying, may you give us a signal, may you give us a strategy. Yes, there is need for strategy whenever you are doing your online Forex trading, but strategy without discipline is nothing. What you need to bear in mind first is to have discipline in your mind. Be a principled trader who follows the outlined guidelines. Your accounts are very small, but the lot size, they are very big. Even 100% perfect strategy will never make you survive because of your lot sizes. So what you need to do, take your time guys. Remove rich quick minds. Remove any form of trading which can portray that trading is only meant or is only available for 24 hours. You were born, you are living, and you will go living this trading, running. The time that you were not trading, online trading was there. Do not just come in a hurry thinking that the time you were introduced to online forex trading is the time when this online forex trading was introduced. It was introduced long back before you knew it. Now you knew about online forex trading, you are now in a hurry. Why? You don't need to be in a hurry. Take your time, manage your account well. Make sure you are safeguarding your hard-earned cash. Yes, there are account managers out there, but do they have some certificates? Where did they graduated? I don't know. Maybe they went to Forex school. We have got a lot of academic years. We have a lot of academic schools, Forex academies, Forex mentors. Everyone now is a mentor. But are they tested? Are they verified? Do they manage for sure? Do they bring positive results? If the answer is no, then you need to manage your account for yourself. You are better than everyone in terms of online forex trading. Myself, I am better than everyone in terms of online forex trading because I trade and make a lot of money. When I say a lot of money, I always target 100% or 200% of my account. If it's a $5 account, I can just double it to $10. If it is a $10 account, I can just double it to $20 or 200% to $30. No one can come and give me $1. That $5 is enough, $20 is enough, $30 can buy you a grocery. So do not underrate money. If you have money, you may think that anything below 100 or 1000 is useless. But that is money. So far, guys, we are trading using Deriv platform. Deriv platform is very good for all of us, including you. Are you already using Deriv as of now? If the answer is no, then you are losing and you are missing out. Don't come in a formal manner, fear of missing out. No, Deriv was there since 1999 and they are almost 26 years now. So don't just join in a hurry. Give yourself time to learn about their platforms, and then you can use your demo account after you have full knowledge of the platform, their shortcomings and their benefits. You can then inject your money. You start trading. Do not overtrade. There's no one who is supposed to trade from 12 midnight to another 12 midnight. 12 hours or 24 hours of trading. That is bad. If you can do that for only 1 hour per day, that is good for you. Do not close trades in red. Wait for the trades to go to blue. If you know that your lot size is good, there's no need for you to panic. Most of the traders, they are afraid of opening their Mt5s. They just open a trade, close Mt5. Sometimes some of them, they can delete and they come to WhatsApp group saying, may I have the chart for V100? May I have chart for V75? May I have chart for boom or crash? They want to see the chart from other people because they can just claim or memorize their entry points. When they see it in their favor, they start to install it again or to open their MT5. That is not online forex trading. You can destroy yourself from